Now I would like to invite again on the virtual stage Mantas Jasikonis, Program Manager at LTG Infra for Baltica Management. He's now located in Vilnius, so Mantas, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you see my slides?
Yes, thank you so much.
Okay.
Floor is yours.
First of all, thank you very much for the opportunity to participate in this webinar. I'm the Mantas Jasikonis from Lithuania. I'm a program manager at LTG Infra in Rail Baltica. So I will try to introduce very briefly with the current status with project implementation in Lithuania, construction strategy, and procurement. So I know that today's main topic is procurement, but in order to understand better our procurement strategy, I will introduce you with the project implementation and construction strategy. So let's start. So the short status brief in Lithuania, as you see from the slide, project implementation in Lithuania are divided into 3 geographical regions. It is Kaunas, Latvian-Lithuanian border, Kaunas, Vilnius, and Kaunas, Poland, Lithuania border. So Kaunas, Latvia line is the most advanced because in this line territorial planning procedures are finished and construction works are started. Kaunas-Vilnius line, territorial planning service is in progress, land acquisition contracts have been signed, procurement of design service in progress. Kaunas, Poland, territorial planning in final stage, land acquisition procedures have been started, and procurement of design services in progress. Kaunas urban node is a separate object due to its complexity. And here is territorial planning finished, land acquisition procedures have been started, and procurement of design service is in progress. So now short information regarding construction strategy. As you see, construction works are divided into design sections. DS1, it is section Kaunas Panevėžys. DS2, section Panevėžys, Lithuanian-Latvian border. Each design section are divided into design priority section. And as you see from the slide, each design section has 4 design priority sections. Now we can move to the procurement. In these slides, in this presentation, procurements are divided into 3 parts. It is procurement for construction, procurement according to yellow FIDIC or design and build, and procurement for design service. At the moment, we have 2 ongoing procurements for embankment and structure constructions in line Kaunas Panevėžys in 2 specific sections. It is Kaunas Šveicarija, Šėta Ramygala, and the total length of these sections about 36 kilometers. And the tender submission date end of 2nd quarter. Also, we have 3 upcoming procurements in line Kaunas Panevėžys for the embankment and structure constructions in 3 specific lines. It's Šėta Ramygala, Ramygala Berčiūnai, and Berčiūnai Joniškėlis. And the total length of this line is about 49 kilometers. And we are planning to announce the tender for these procurements also in the end of second quarter. And I would like to draw your attention to the upcoming procurement related with the construction of superstructure of railway track. It will be the whole line from Kaunas to Latvia-Lithuanian border, and it's about 168 kilometers. Announcement date, according to current status with documentation, also in the end of the second quarter. Now let's move to the procurements which is related or which will be announced according to the yellow FIDIC or design and build. We have two upcoming procurements. One of them will be in Kaunas node section. The second one in section Panevėžys, Lithuanian-Latvian border. So in Kaunas node section, we will announce procurement for point type objects. It is bridges, viaducts, tunnels, and we are planning to announce this procurement in the end of second quarter. The second one procurement, according to yellow FIDIC, it is in the line Panevėžys, Latvia-Lithuania border. It will be construction of embankment and structures. The total length of this line is about 54 kilometers, and announcement date, we are planning somewhere in the middle of third quarter. Now we can move to the procurements related with design service. And here I would like to draw your attention that most of these procurements will be according to qualification assessment system. It means that, first of all, potential suppliers have to provide documents, qualification documents, in order to pass qualification requirements. And just pre-qualified suppliers will be opportunity to participate in the further procurement stages. So please take very seriously. And here we have 7 upcoming procurements for design, 4 in the line Kaunas Latvia-Lithuania border, and 3 in the section Kaunas-Vilnius. So in section Kaunas-Latvian border, it will be design service for the construction of new railway infrastructure in Panevėžys node. The second one, design service for the construction of regional connections and regional stations in section from Kaunas urban node to Latvian border. The third one, design service for Panevėžys EMF. And the fourth one, design service for Kaunas EMF. All these procurements we are planning to announce in the end of second quarter. And we have 3 upcoming procurements in the section Kaunas-Vilnius. It is design service for Vilnius-Kaunas regional station Vievis, design service for Vilnius-Kaunas regional station Kaišiadorys, and design service for Vilnius node. Also here we are planning to announce procurements in the end of second quarter. And I would like to share our expectations and advices for the potential suppliers. Plan and prepare not only for procurement, but also for the contract execution, because it's one of the main factors for the successful project implementation. During the tenders, submit your questions as soon as possible. Be proactive and let us know what may be improved. all information or the documentation related with procurement you can find in the procurement plan in web realbaltica.org. That's all from my side.
Yes, thank you, Mantas, very much. Again, very insightful presentation and nice to see you virtually. We do have a couple of questions. Question related to Neris Bridge construction. You mildly covered it, so how far is that?
Oh, it's a difficult question. Let's say, I would say like this, that we are moving forward in this situation. And I hope in the nearest future, the improvements will be.
Okay, and we will read more about the progress on LTG Infra's communication channels,
Yes,
as always.
This information will be provided.
Yes, thank you. There's a question regarding procurement, regarding point type objects in Kaunas. Initial plan was 2 stages, design and construction. Why design and construction are being procured together? What's the reason for that? And benefits?
The reason is very simple. The Kaunas node is the main line from Kaunas to Poland. And everybody knows that we should connect to the Poland by 2030, yeah? And to organize procurement in 1 stage instead of 2 stages, what was previously, we are accelerating project implementation quite dramatically. And this strategy allows us to start point type objects construction. It means bridges, viaducts, earlier than main line construction will be started. So the answer is simple: in order to accelerate project implementation.
Thank you very much, Mantas. I keep promising, and we'll stick to our promises, that the questions that are asked in Slido, most of them have been answered. We will keep addressing them. Those who have not been answered, we will definitely put together in writing and publish on our website together with the materials of this webinar.